Welcome back to Rumor Roundup on Spotlight today. In today's video, we'll be unveiling the latest leaks, rumors and speculations on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Starting off with the early reveal rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has cleared its important NBTC certification in Thailand. And since it has already received several other certifications, this means that it is surely ready for release, which will be at an unpacked event on the 17th of January in San Jose, USA. This will be the first time that Samsung hosts a reveal event in San Jose, which is also the headquarters of Apple and Google. They reportedly finalized this location as a sign-off on their cooperation with Google and competition with Apple. Samsung clearly wants to make a statement with the S24 and stick it to the big shots in the USA. This will probably mean a late January launch. Pre-orders will start taking place right after the reveal, and sales will start from the 30th. If you're looking to pick up a brand spanking new Galaxy S24. It seems that it has become somewhat trendy to leak images of your new devices in the smartphone industry. We have recently seen some leaked hands-on images and they match the leaked images from the dummy units as well. So it seems that the flat screen and uniform bezels can be confirmed, which are all very welcome changes. They have also changed from a slick chrome to a premium looking brushed titanium frame. So we are very likely to see higher grade material on the S24 Ultra. Jumping back to the display, it will have a peak brightness of 2500 nits and it could be a 144Hz display, which would make for an even smoother experience scrolling through apps and especially gaming. Moving on to the camera, and this is a section that most people and the team at Spotlight tend to get excited about when it comes to smartphones. The S24 Ultra will controversially be switching out the 10x zoom camera for a 5x and a 3x zoom. It used to be the zoom king, and now dropping to 5x, which is on par with the iPhone 15, it might lose the edge. To be honest, the 10x camera was really cool to use, but how often do you really use it or share those photos? And coming back to the iPhone, which now has great 5x photos but loses out on 3x, it could be an opportunity for the S24 Ultra to shine, especially considering it has 200 megapixels to play with. On the topic of cameras, there will be direct access to the Instagram camera from lock screen. They are also partnering with Snapchat to add a direct shortcut to the lock screen. So socials are getting even more integration, which is great. Talking internals, the S24 Ultra will be packing 12 gigs of RAM, starting at 256 gigs of internal storage and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which promises significant improvements in speed and efficiency, which will definitely help out the 5000 mAh battery. The big news here is that the S24 Plus could also receive 12 gigs of RAM looking at the latest benchmark performance tests. And that's not all. Rumors are floating about that the Exynos chips could make a return, but this will only be in certain markets and certain models. We know for a fact that the S24 Ultra won't be getting the Exynos chips, but it is still strange from a marketing perspective thinking about how they would promote the phones running these chipsets. Lastly, and ending on a good note, the price is expected to remain the same. $800 for the Galaxy S24, $1000 for the Plus, and $1200 for the S24 Ultra. That wraps up our rumor roundup of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you missed our latest video on all the AI features on the S24 Ultra, make sure to click on the pop-up video on the right. Which features are you most looking forward to seeing? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative or entertaining, remember to smash the like button and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Until next time, stay under the spotlight.